let's talk about some steps for using dimensional analysis. So what you're going to do is you're going to make what's called a bridge. So this is going to, step one, identify the starting ones right here, the starting units that you want, and the ending units. So you're going from this bridge over here to this side to this on the other side. So you want to start out with what you are given in the problem, and what you want it to convert to is going to be on the other end. Now in between here, this is going to be the conversion factors, and those conversion factors are going to be equal to 1. So for example, 7 weeks is equal to, or sorry, 1 week is equal to 7 days, and 7 days is equal to 1 week. They're both the same. It doesn't matter how you say it. It depends on what context you want. So those are going to be the conversion factors that go here for your multiplication. So step number 2, you're going to line up the conversion factors so that the units are going to cancel out. So how we do this, what you might see in math, is something like this: 7a times 1 over 7a, right? So we know that this is the a's and the 7 are going to cancel each other out. That's all that you're doing. You multiply the top numbers and then you divide by the bottom numbers to check to see if they're units. So let's try this. If we want to know how many days are in 7 weeks and we want to get to days over here at the end, the conversion factor that we need to know is how many days are in 1 week, or vice versa. So we know that there is 7 days in 1 week, or 1 week is equal to 7 days. It doesn't matter which way that you write it, except going by step 2, we want to line it up so that it's going to drop it like it's hot, put weeks on the bottom so that they cancel out. So we know that in 1 week there are 7 days, and this gives us our days on the top, which means that our units are going to match what we want in the end, right over here. So then we multiply. 7 times 7 is 49 divided by 1. You can go ahead and put a 1 over here. It's the same as, this right here, putting a 1, it doesn't matter. In our bridge, remember that the vertical line is equal to a multiplication, while the horizontal line is equal to division. So it's the same way as saying here that we have 7 weeks times 7 days over 1 week. It's the exact same thing that we would do with parentheses in math, except in science we streamline it and we use this bridge because we have so many variables that we're going to have to be multiplying. Again, this is a good preview for the things that you're going to do. You can use this in physics. You will definitely use this in high school chemistry, so I hope that you at least get exposed to this so that you'll know how to do it in your higher level maths and sciences.